Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing very well. So in this video we are going to talk about child development pedagogy, complete English medium notes for your upcoming CTET 2022. As you already know that I have secured 130 marks in CTET and 29 out of 30 marks in the CDP section which contains 30 marks. Okay, so this is my strategy, what I am sharing with you. And my notes, I have prepared these notes from 2-3 books and my personalized notes and some online content and from the help of Google and also some analytical questions which are coming from the previous year question papers. So I have included everything in this notes. So friends, I have covered each and every topic which is important for your CTET exam and according to your CTET official syllabus and based on the previous year question papers. So I have included everything and you don't have to read anything else these notes and previous year question papers. Okay friends, as you all know that I have already provided Hindi medium, child development pedagogy and language 1 and language 2 English and science for paper 2 in English medium. So if you don't have purchased these notes, so please check out in the description box. So friends, if we talk about content, so as you can see on your screen that I have given the Bandura's theory of social learning. So I have completed first the theory section, okay, and after that I have given a picture about this experiment so that you can understand easily everything. And in the whole notes I have given the flow charts and diagrams so that you know notes are very unique. When you will read it, you feel like that I'm reading a very interesting book. So okay, so this is all about the notes. Friends, if we talk about the weightage of CDP section, so I really want to tell you that CDP is very important for your CTET exam because if you analyze the whole paper, CDP section and Hindi, which is language 1 and language 2 English pedagogy, okay, and if we'll go for the maths pedagogy, which is 15 which contains 15 marks. Okay, so you see that the whole CTET exam contains already 70%, around 70%, 65 to 70% CDP. Okay, so I will suggest you, if you want to crack CTET exam or if you want to score 120 plus or 130 marks in the CTET exam, so you have to be very careful about this CDP, which is pedagogy. Okay, if you clearly read this CDP and clear your all the concepts about CDP, then I guarantee you that you can easily crack your CTET exam. Okay, so it's not that much big thing. Okay friends, so now if we talk about the books, so I will suggest you, if you have too much time to read a book, so you can go through the book. But if you, I've already completed these notes from 2 to 3 books and online sources and my personal notes and on the basis of the previous year questions, then why do you need to do the same? Friends, if you want to prepare the CTET in a smart way, so I will suggest that these notes will be very helpful for you. I have completed everything in this. Okay, so if you need anything, any help, I can suggest you everything. Okay, I will be there for you throughout your preparation. Okay friends, so if you want to buy these notes, I have given every detail. You can WhatsApp me. WhatsApp number I have given in the description box or comment box. Okay, so on WhatsApp you can get the demo of notes, some demo photos I will provide you so that you can assure yourself that notes will be helpful for you or not. Okay friends, so all the best for your exam. So friends, if you want to prepare your CTET exam with me, so kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Jai Hind.